Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Ready to save some serious cash on your next project? Of course you are! Today, I'm going to share how you can get exclusive Ace Hardware discount codes, promo codes, and more. But first, make sure you click the link in the description below to snag these awesome deals. Okay, let's dive in. Imagine this. You're gearing up for a weekend project. You've got your plans, your coffee, and then it hits you. You're missing a crucial tool or supply. No worries. Ace Hardware has everything you need, and now you can save big with these discount codes. So, here's the scoop. Ace Hardware often releases special promo codes that can save you anywhere from 10% to even 50% off your purchase. And it's not just for tools. Think paint, garden supplies, and even home decor. You name it, they've probably got a code for it. Now, finding these magical codes can sometimes feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But I've done the hard part for you. Just click the link in the description below, and you'll find a curated list of the latest and greatest Ace Hardware discount codes. Still with me? Great! Let's talk about how to use these codes. When you're ready to check out, simply enter the code you found from the link below into the promo code box. Watch as your total drops faster than you can say DIY project. But wait, there's more. Ace Hardware also runs seasonal sales and flash deals, so keep an eye out, especially during holidays or end-of-season clearances. Combining these sales with your discount codes, that's double the savings. All right, folks, it's time to wrap up. Remember, click the link in the description to get those sweet discount codes. And hey, while you're at it, why not hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips and DIY hacks? Happy building, everyone! See you next time!